Use me, then release me. Hold me, use me, then release me. There we go. When you play, yeah, go around again. Yes, we rehearsed this thoroughly. Here we go. When you are locking it, you must dispose of it. Yes, and if you should copy, release so your code is not sloppy. Do I have to explain? If you explicitly retain, then release me. Yes, release me. Oh, release me. Oh, hold me. Use me. Oh, 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 release me. Hold me. Use me. Then release me. Darling, if you don't want me anymore, please just let me know. I've been sitting out here just waiting to hear from you. We had some good times, and I want you to know my accessor methods are wide open for business, baby. But you know, I understand if you don't need me anymore. If you don't need me anymore, then please just send me a message. A simple message. Simple message to let me know. Then release me, yes, release me, release me. Oh, go into one of those middle parts. If you, we'll go around again. Yeah. Okay, I got it now. Here we go. Yes, if you garbage collect me, can't be bothered to personally reject me. Send your bookkeeping clerk to do your dirty work and release me. Yes, release me. Oh, release me. Everybody hold me. Use me. Then release me. One more time. Hold me. Use me. Then release me.